Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with the speed limiter. We also get some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Car has the 1.5 litre WH19YTA engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done less than 3,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.